Hello children, good to see you again. Today I am telling you a story about a green parrot with his red beak, a black crow who says cow cow, and a mango tree. The name of the story is Mithu the parrot. So listen the story and enjoy. Mithu was a green parrot with his red beak. One day he was flying. He loved to fly. Then he saw there was a mango tree, a big mango tree. There was mangoes, red mangoes, yellow mangoes, orange mangoes, ripe mangoes. So yummy mangoes. Then he saw a crow. Crow was eating all the mangoes. Mithu asked the crow, "Will you give me some mango?" The crow said, "I will not give you mango." Then Mithu was struck an idea. He saw a red balloon, red balloon. Which color balloon? Red color balloon. Then he picked the red balloon and flew away. He brushed the red balloon with his beak with the sound of boom, boom. Then the crow got scared and he was very scared and flew away. The crow was very scared and he flew away. Then Mithu ate all the mangoes and flew away happily.